These are optional panel stops which can be purchased along with the assembly table. These are mounted along the bottom of the panel and provide a solid support for a deeper enclosure or a more vertical surface to install a control cabinet on the table and provide much further support away from the base of the table. The panel stops can be mounted and they can be adjusted in and out to allow space for mounting tabs for tabbed enclosures, and they're typically used in conjunction with control cabinet straps which are used to support the top of the cabinet. These can be purchased online at www.controlpanelsupply.com, and they can be purchased with the base table or purchased later if you decide you want them later. Thank you.